This is what my house temperature is. I've just recently built a drying cabinet for my cannabis, of course, and of course I'm still going through some testing and making it right and whatnot. It's not completely perfect, but it'll work. This is what the cabinet's at. I just took the water out. Comes out down here. Like I said, still working on it. And I just took it out a minute ago. It was a quarter of the way up that cup. Yep. And here, I'll open it. Let's see what I got going on. It's my AC that I built. Keeps the cabinet cold. There's a AC Infinity fan under there. That's controls the unit. Controls the fan anyway. I mean, if this will get down to 63 degrees, then it'll turn on to fan 1 and only be on fan 1. But right now it's on fan 3 until it gets to 63, if it gets to 63, but I don't want the fan any higher than that. I had it at 5. It didn't seem to help cool it down any faster, so 3 it is. And it seems pretty good to blow the air around. I have that little cup on top of the air port, and it's got some holes drilled in it, so it blows the air completely around the cabinet and not just up into that corner.